farmers markets are a great place in order to buy in bulk, in quantity. If you're going to can tomatoes, or if you want a lot of sweet corn, you can get. I bought 24 years of sweet corn for $8 one time, so a whole box. I said it was. I forget what they named it. It wasn't sweet corn. It was cooking corn or something. I said, "What's the difference?"
And it was canning corn.
Canning corn. And I said, "What's the difference between this and sweet corn?" Nothing. We just got too much of it. And I said, "I'll buy a whole box." He said $8, and I went home and counted 24 years of sweet corn for $8. You can't even steal that much from the big box store for
put in your pants.
Yeah, you can't. You cannot get that. But that is a great place in order to buy in quantity. Whatever you're trying to.
Maybe we should clarify that you're not stealing corn.
Not stealing corn, but
the big box store.
But that's a heck of a deal. Now this was like 4 years ago, but there's still that availability at farmers markets that you can buy in quantity, you can buy in bulk. And if you want something, like if you've bought flour before, spelt flour, was that what it is? And you asked, hey, I would like this. And they say, we don't have it here, but come back next week and we will bring sorghum.
Yeah.
And we will bring extra for you. And that's how you can also do it as well, that you can put an order in and do it that way.